This isn't just a flag, it has a geometrical history. Did you know the Indian flag follows exact mathematical geometry?
It's not just art, this is perfect geometry on our national flag. All you need is rectangular sheet, scale, protector, scissor, pencil, rounder and blue marker.
The Indian flag follows a 2:3 ratio. Here I am taking width of 22.5 cm and height of 15 cm. Now divide the rectangle into 3 equal horizontal parts. Mark at 5 cm, 10 cm and 15 cm. Join the marks. Mark 3 cm extra for the loop.
Mark the midpoint of 22.5 cm and 15 cm and join the mark as shown here. You will get a perfect center. Here we will place our Ashoka chakra.
The width is 22.5 cm and this is the midpoint.
Height 15 cm, this is the midpoint. 3 equal parts of 5 cm each. Horizontal and vertical lines forms an accurate center. Here we will place Ashoka chakra. Extra 3 cm for loop. Diameter of Ashoka chakra is always 3/4 of white strip.
Hold this part. Take orange and green strips measuring 22.5 and 10 cm. Hold it at the center and attach as shown here. Same with the green sheet. We will paste this later.
Now let's make Ashoka chakra. Using a rounder, draw a circle. The Ashoka chakra has 24 equal spokes. Divide the circle carefully at 15 degrees using protector. Do you know, in the national flag, the saffron color represents strength, courage and sacrifice. White typically symbolizes peace, purity, honesty and truth. Green symbolizes the nation, fertility, growth, auspiciousness and connection to the soil and prosperity. The chakra is inspired by the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath, a pillar from Emperor Ashoka's rule, adopted to represent the guiding force of Indian culture and democracy. Draw 24 straight lines from the center.
The 24 spokes on the Ashoka chakra on the Indian national flag represent 24 virtues and the 24 hours of a day, symbolizing continuous progress and tireless movement for the nation. Here is a simple list of what each spoke represents: love, courage, patience, peace, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control, selflessness, self-sacrifice, truthfulness, righteousness, justice, mercy, graciousness, humility, empathy, sympathy, spiritual knowledge, moral values, spiritual wisdom, the fear of God, faith and hope.
Do you know the diameter of Ashoka chakra is 3/4 of the white strip and is placed exactly at the center. So take 3/4 of the white strip and make a circle. Make dots between the lines at the bottom. Your 24 spokes Ashoka chakra with perfect geometry is ready. Now let's paste the saffron and green strips. The measurements are 10 cm height and 22.5 cm width. Ashoka chakra should be placed exactly at the center. Now fold the extra 3 cm that we had taken and paste it with the glue to form a loop. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your suggestions. Jai Hind.